Okay guys, welcome back. So in this video what we're going to do is add users to the Active Directory and also create roaming profiles for them. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to open Active Directory. Okay, so what we can do, it already have a users folder here, so we can just add users to that. So we can right click new and user. So let's create a user named Jimmy Kibble. Alright, so we could put his initials JK and his user login name could be J and Kibble. Right, and we can click next. What we're going to do is create a simple password for them to log in, but we're going to make sure that they have to change it as they log in. So I guess I am familiar with just using something simple, so I'm going to do that. Click next and finish, and let's create another one. New user. Let's create a female user, Janet Jenkins. Right, GG, and say J Jenkins. Right, that's a J I type there. Let's see. Okay. Right, click next. Same procedure. Something's very simple to remember. They have to change it anyway. So click next and finish. Okay. So let's check out the profiles. We can need properties. So as you can see, simple information. Now, in account you can see their user login name, and right. So what we're going to do soon is add a profile part for the roaming profile. So we'll have to come and paste the roaming profile here. Right, close that, check the next user. Okay, so what we're going to do now is just head over to the client machine and log in to these users to make sure everything is working well. Okay, so we got the client machine. Let's log in. Okay, what we're going to do is use other user, and let's try logging into Kibble. Right, and this password, the default password, we have to change it. Right, so you're going to see this message, click OK and create a new password for it. Right, confirm, click OK. Okay, and we should log in as a new user on this Windows machine. Right, we're just gonna fast forward through this. When it's logged in, we will come back. Alright, we're in. Okay, as you're logged in as Jimmy Kibble. Right. Okay, so we're logged in as Jimmy Kibble. So let's log in as the other user now. Let's sign out. Okay. Other user. What was her name? J Jenkins. Alright, so type in the default password that was given. Nice. And create a new one. Okay, password has been changed. You can see users created, and we fast forward again when we are logged, and we'll come back when we are logged in. Okay, and we are logged in again. Right, and this is Janet's machine. Okay, so what we're going to do now is head back to the server machine and set up roaming profiles for these users. Okay, so what we're going to do is head to this PC, go to local disk, and we're going to create a folder. Let's name it roaming folder. Right, what we'll do is right click on properties. We're going to head to sharing and click share. Now what we're going to do here is add everyone and change it to read and write, and we're going to click share. Right, so you can see the file path is here already, so you'll click done. And then we head over to security. So what you're going to do is click advanced. Right, so you're going to see this here, this is good. So we're going to click OK. We're going to head back over to sharing, and we're going to copy this file path here. Copy. And you can click OK. So what you're going to do now is head over to the Active Directory. And go here, Tools, User and Computers. And what you're going to do is open up our users, go Properties, click on Profile and copy file path here. Click here, type / you're going to put %, username, and % again. You're going to click Apply. What you can see is the user login name has been added here. So that's a good sign. You can click OK. You go to the other user now, properties, profile, paste. Right, same procedure. %, username, %. You click apply. See username has come up here again, and we can click OK. So now what you're going to do is, just to test that everything is working well, we're going to head back over to the client machine and test this roaming profile. So what I'm going to do now is test it out. So I'm just going to create a test folder here and a test document on the desktop. Okay, let's head over to the other user. Let's search user, other user, and let's sign in as J Cable. We're going to do the same thing as the other user. Just going to create some tests on the desktop. Document. Right. Just gonna sign out. What you're gonna do is just go back over to the server machine just to check and see if the profiles were created. Log in. Alright, you're gonna go File Explorer, this PC, local disk, open the roaming folder, and right, as you can see, 2 folders were created and you can't access them. Right? Cannot access them. And so before we go on to the last step, there's one little fun thing to show you also. What you're gonna do is just switch over to network here, open the server, open Roman profile. So we're just going to open the client machine. Put these two side by side. Okay. Going to go File Explorer, Network, Server, Roman folder. Okay, so just gonna show you something quick here. Gonna add new folder. Right, you can see new folders popped up here. We can do new text document. You can see text document. Can we change it? Change this what's inside. Save. Close. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so nice little trick to make sure everything's working well. Okay, so one more thing to show you guys. So we just have one more test to do. And what we're going to do is head over to any client machine. Right, could sign back in as Jimmy. What we're going to do is head over to systems, head over to system info, click advanced settings, and you can see we are locked out from, a regular user is locked out from this setting. So we are going to sign in as an administrator. Right, click settings, and there you can see Mr. Cable and Ms. Jenkins have a Roman folder, or I should say a Roman profile. So you can see our session today was successful. In the next video I will show you how to create a home folder for users. So see you in the next video.